How to fix Anti-Malware Service Executable High Memory Usage on Windows 11 for PC or laptop. So guys, let's get started. Like always, we'll begin from the basics. First thing, restart your PC because restarting clears stuck Defender processes, temporary glitches, and scan loops. Sometimes it helps reduce memory usage, but only for a short time. Just restarting is not enough. After that, go to the search bar and open Settings. Go into Settings. Then go to Windows Update. Updating Windows can fix Defender bugs, improve performance, and reduce anti-malware service memory usage issues. After updating, make sure to restart your PC again. If the problem is still there, then we go to deeper, go to the search bar and type Task Scheduler. Open Task Scheduler. Expand Task Scheduler Library. Then expand Microsoft. Now go into Windows. Press W on your keyboard to quickly find Windows Defender. Then open it. Here, double-click on Windows Defender Scheduled Scan. Now uncheck Run with highest privileges. This can slightly reduce system load. After that, go to the Conditions tab. In the Power section, uncheck the option there too. Then click OK. After that, open Task Manager and check if the issue is better. If it's still not fixed, don't worry because here's another method. Search Windows Security. Open Windows Security. Go to Virus and Threat Protection. Scroll down and open Manage Settings. Scroll again and click Add or Remove Exclusions. If it asks for permission, click Yes. Then click Add an Exclusion. Choose File or Folder option. Now open your C drive. Go into Program Files. From there you can add folders like Game folders, Large Project folders, VM folders, or Build Cache folders. Only add folders you trust. But for example, I'm going into the Windows Defender folder. Now find the file named MSMPing and select it. Adding MSMPing related folders to exclusions can reduce CPU usage, but it also lowers real-time protection. Still having problems? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.